what is up everyone, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. So today we are bringing in another episode of Tarmac work new releases. So starting off with the Tarmac new releases, the first in line what we have is a model that all of us been waiting for. This is the collaboration of Lamely Group and the Lean Customs Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series. So talk about this release. The car comes in a white body kit with the black wheels, the front railing in black, and as well as the wing. As Tarmac has mentioned, it is set to be released on 21st March. So hopefully we are expecting it to be on pre-order very soon, and I'll be putting the link down below in the description so it's easy for you guys to pre-order through my video. Moving on to the next, what we have is the Ford Mustang GT4 Track Edition, which comes under the Global 69 lineup. So talk about the car. This car comes in a grey gloss body paint with the track body kit, and still Tarmac hasn't actually released a releasing date, so we are expecting it to be at least at the beginning of next year. Another special edition which is to be released at the end of this month, November, which is the Sofia Flourish Macau Grand Prix Formula 3. So this is said to be a limited edition which is limited to 999 pieces worldwide. And probably this is one of the few Formula 3 cars which is coming up by Tarmac. The Formula 1 series is going to be in blue, which is absolutely a stunning car, and I'll be allowed to have one of these in my collection soon. What we have next in lineup is the new release Tarmac has just announced on their Facebook and the Instagram page few hours ago, and this is none other than the Ignition Model 64 scale JDM series. And in that lineup we have the NSX, the FD3S and the RX-7. So the RX-7 has two variations, which is the blue with the carbon fiber bonnet and also the yellow with the carbon fiber wing. Most probably one of the common variations, which is the white with the carbon fiber touch to it. And also the NX is to be released in royal blue with the carbon fiber hood and the wing. So as we can see, an amazing lineup of cars are being yet to be released at the end of this year and the beginning of next year, and hopefully we will be able to see all those cars in Diecast Maniac. Also, as you all enjoy the new releases which Tarmac is bringing in, please make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news, and hopes to see you guys soon again in another video.